Hey everybody, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this tree farm hanging mason jar. I love this sign because it really depicts the perfect winter wonderland. I hope you like it just as much as I do. Now let's get started. The first thing you are going to do is paint your little wooden trees. You're going to use green paint to paint them. And then don't worry about painting the stump of the tree, you can just leave it looking natural. Next, you will paint the chipboard truck. You will use red paint. Leave the wheels on the truck as is. You are also going to leave the fenced enclosure on the top of the bed of the truck as is. Set aside those pieces to dry completely, and next you will take a paper towel, set it under the MDF heart that is attached to the mason jar sign, and you are going to paint it red. Make sure you cover the front and the sides of the MDF heart. Once the heart completely dries, you will then take a sanding block and you will sand the edges and the front of the MDF heart. Grab your stickers and add the Fa La La stickers to the front of the heart. Next, you are going to lay out everything on the mason jar sign. You will add your red truck at the bottom of the mason jar and to the left. And then on the right side of the truck, you will then add your trees. You're going to have the big tree in the back and the small tree stacked a little bit on top of the other tree. You are then going to add one tree to the back of the truck, and to do that, it's going to be sitting behind the truck. You can now glue everything in place. To start, you will glue down the MDF heart. You will then glue the truck to the tree that's going to be sitting in the bed of the truck. Next, you will glue the small tree that's overlapping with the big tree. Now we are going to add some snow, and you are going to take glossy accents and go around that curved line at the bottom of the mason jar and then add your snow to the top of it. You'll see that I later go back and add glue to the whole bottom of the sign, so you can just do that right now, but I'll show you later how I did do it. You are also going to add some glue to the rest of the sign. You're going to add dots all over the place. This is going to be our falling snow. And as you can see here, I made some small dots and I later go back and make them bigger so that you can see more of the snow falling. I also added some glue to the tops of the trees and added some snow there as well. Wait for the glue to completely dry, and then you will pick up your sign and you will dump all the excess snow onto a piece of paper. Once you finish with that, you can roll up the piece of paper and empty the extra snow back into the bag. In my case, I decided I actually needed more snow, so I added more glue to the bottom of the sign and then took that excess snow and instead put it at the bottom of the sign. Once you have all of the snow glued down on the bottom of the sign, you then can glue down your truck and trees. If you are like me and decide that you need more snow, you can always go back and add bigger dots of glue and add your snow. This was something that I decided to do last minute, and I'm really glad I did. I just really want to make sure that you can see the snow. Once the glue dries, you then can dump the excess snow, and after that, your sign is then ready to be hung up and displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the products needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.